it is very much clear. You see, it is very much clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. I have tried my level best to make it clear. Now yes, now let us start. 10.2. See here, before we start, before we start this, it is clear. It is clear. You see the adjustment of. Mute the microphone. Now before we start this, let me yes, exercise. Let me give you one important notice. Exercise 10.3 and exercise 10.3 and exercise 10.4, they are omitted. Let me make it clear. Exercise 10.3 and exercise 10.4, both the exercise they are omitted. Both the exercise, next exercise 10, it is clear. Yes, portion will get over. After exercise 10.2, this chapter will get over. Then we'll start revision. So, it is very much clear, right? It is exercise 10.3 and exercise 10.4, both are omitted. So, no, it is coming clear. It is clear. My dear, it is very much transparent. From our end, you see the setting of your phone. Exercise 10.3 and exercise 10.4, both the exercises are omitted. Now let us start 10.2, second one. Write 10.3 and 10.4 are omitted. They are not there. So our this chapter number 10 is up to exercise 10.2. So now let us start this. Let us start second. Write the condition for which two straight lines will have A, one point in common, B, no point in common. When two straight lines have one point common, yes. When two straight lines have one point common, when they are intersecting line, yes. So answer is two lines are intersecting lines, then only they will have one point in common. Point of intersection will be common. Second, no point in common. Two lines will have no point common whenever they are parallel lines. They are not intersecting lines. They are parallel lines. Then they will have no point in common because they will not intersect. If they do not intersect, there will. Yes, it is there. No, from our side it is extremely clear. You see the. Yes. Now mute the microphone. One point in common means two lines will have one point common whenever they are intersecting lines. Then two lines will have no point common whenever they are parallel lines. It is clear. Whenever they are parallel lines, you see the adjustment of your phone. Yeah. Yes, it is clear, right? Identify. No. Still it is. No. Still. No. It is clear, right? Identify. 2 is over. Now third one. Identify the pair of parallel lines. Identify. You see the adjustment of your phone and your internet connectivity, no? No, but no. See here, from our side it is very much clear. हाँ 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 two. Now right. Identify the pair of parallel lines. We are given this diagram. We are given a hexagon. We are given the hexagon. We are given the hexagon. Identify the pair of parallel lines. So now when you extend this line, it will go like this. You can extend this line. It will go like this. Yeah, you can extend this line. It will go like this. Draw this. When you extend this, it will go like this. When you extend this, it will go like this. When you extend this line, it will go like this. When you extend this line, it will go like this. When you extend this line, it will go like this. Yes. Now which two lines are parallel? Now see, the lines are AB and D. No, not EF. AB and ED. They are parallel lines because they do not cut. Except these two lines, this line, you can. It is clear, no? It is clear from our end. Yes, it is clear from. Yes. No, it is. No. Wait. No, wait. Yes. Let us extend this line. You have to extend of each line. You have to extend each line. Now let us see which lines are parallel. You have to find out. One minute. चलो ठीक है. Now it is clear, right? Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Now do not make any. Yes. No. Yes. Now it is clear, right? Yes. You have to draw with the dotted line. You have to draw the dotted line. Extend. Yes. Right. You have to draw the dotted line. You have to extend the line. Yes. I will upload the video. Now draw the. No, do not send me. Yes. Now draw the dotted line. Yes. Now we draw the dotted line. Now see which two lines are parallel. If you see AB and D, they are parallel. AB and D, they are parallel. Yes. AB and D, they are parallel. So first we write AB. AB is parallel. Parallel means two vertical line. AB is parallel to ED. Then second, what is second parallel line? Yes. What is second parallel line? See, you can extend this end. No. Now AF is parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel, no? Yes. AF is parallel to CD. AF is parallel to CD. That is second parallel line. Now third is, yes, BC is parallel to FE. BC or FE is parallel to BC. FE is parallel to BC. So they are parallel line. Is it clear? They are parallel lines. Now let us see the next one. B. Let us see B. We are given three lines. we are given three lines. We are given three lines. Then BC, BC. Then again we are given the lines. Now these are the lines which are given. It is A, B, C, D, E. We'll see now. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now which lines are parallel, that we have to find. So what you do, you extend the line. 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 Yes, you extend the line. From each side you extend the line. Now which lines are parallel? Yes. Now see here, which lines are parallel? Tell me. See here, which lines are parallel? AB, AB, CD, AB, CD. AB is parallel. AB, CD and EF. No. See here. No. See here. You can extend this line. No. You can wait. You can extend this line. You can. You will get AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Three lines are parallel. That is AB. AB is parallel to CD, and CD is parallel to EF. Three lines are parallel. AB, CD, EF. Then any other line? Yes, any other line? Then we have one more line. We have one more line. See, BC and D. BC and D. BC and D. Yes, BC and D, they are also parallel. So write BC. BC is parallel to D. BC and D, they are also parallel. BC and D, they are also parallel. Now third one, you are given the star. You have to extend the line and find out if the line do not cut each other, means they are parallel lines. You have to extend the line and find out if the line do not cut each other, then they are parallel lines. Now next we are given the star. See, we are given the star. Yes, right. We are given the star. We are given the star. It is PVQ. 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 It is clear, right? PVQ. PVQ TSR. TSR. Now find out the lines which are parallel. So board is very much clear in the video. Yes, it is very much clear. Now take it. Now we extend the line. We extend the line and see whether they are cutting each other. We extend the line. Wait. We'll see. We extend the line. We extend the line. We extend the line. Now which lines are? Yes. We have to find out which lines are which lines are parallel. We have to wait. Which lines are parallel? See here. If you see VQ, VQ is parallel to TS. VQ is parallel to VQ is parallel to TS. Then VR is parallel to PS. VR is parallel to PS. Then yes. Then yes. Then VQ we have done. Now PT and QR. PT and QR. PT is parallel to QR. PT is parallel to Q. It is showing very much clear. Yes. No. It is there. PT. PT is parallel to QR. PT is parallel to right. Board is clear. Yes. BT is parallel to see here. Wait. It is showing extremely clear. No, it is showing clear. Yes. Now next is D. D we are D we are given ABC PQR. ABC PQR. ABC PQR. Extend the line. Extend the lines and see whether they are intersecting or they are parallel. Extend the line. Extend the line from each side. Extend the line from each side and see whether they are parallel or they are intersecting. Yes. Now from this we write down the parallel lines. From this now we write down the parallel lines. Yes, mute the microphone. Now we write down. Yes. Now see wait. PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. First line. PQ is parallel to BC. Now 1 minute. PR is parallel to AC. PR is parallel to AC. PR is parallel to AC. Then QR is parallel to AB. QR is parallel to AB. You have to extend the line. If the line do not cut each other, that means they are parallel lines. If the line do not cut each other, then they are parallel lines. If the line do not cut each other, then they are parallel lines. Yes. Now let us do. No. Only we have to find. See. Only we have to find the parallel lines. Yes. Mute the microphone. No. See here. This is my PQ. PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. PR. No. Only this much is there. Which one? PR. No. See here. Q. No. See here. No. See here. No. QC. See here, my dear. QC is not a line. QC is a ray. QC is not a line. QC is a ray. But you can say AC is a line. AC is a line. QC is not a line. QC is a ray. But QC is not a. So you can say AC is a line. AC is a line parallel to PR. You cannot take QC. Yes, Q is between the lines. So you will read the line as AC. You will not read the line as QC. Now fourth one. Is AB parallel to CD? Give reason. We are given the line AB. We are given the line AB, and we are given the line. We are given the line. We are given the line CD. It is asked, is AB parallel to CD? Give reason. Is AB parallel to CD? Give reason. Is AB parallel to CD? Give reason. So to decide whether they are parallel or intersecting, you have to extend the line. You have to extend the line. You have to extend the line to decide whether AB. No, they are not. They are not parallel line, because when you extend the line, they meet each other. They cut each other at common point P. So right answer is no. Answer is no. Answer is no. No, AB is not parallel to CD. AB is not parallel to CD. And what is the reason? The reason is AB and CD. AB and CD meet each other. AB and CD meet each other at one common point P. So whenever there is one common point, it is intersecting line. Whenever there is one common point, means it is clear. It is clear, right? AB is not parallel to CD, because when you extend the line, they cut each other. When you extend the line, they cut each other. Clear? When you extend the line, they cut each other. Yes. When you cut the line, when you extend the line, they meet each other. See here, to decide whether they are parallel or right. Whether they are parallel line or intersecting line, you have to extend the line. This thing you remember. By seeing the diagram, you don't judge whether they are parallel or intersecting. You extend the line. When we extend the line, no. Answer is no. AB is not parallel to CD. Right, 2 CD, 2 is missed. Okay, right. AB is not parallel to CD. No, you write full stop. No, you write full stop. If they are not parallel, they are intersecting line. Yes. It will be not and parallel, and will not come, because we use the and for AEIOU alphabet. So they are not parallel. Third intersecting line is QR is parallel to AB. QR is parallel to AB. So VR is parallel to PS. TP is parallel to RQ. And BQ is parallel to TS. AB is not parallel to, yes, mute the microphone, because that time you should ask the doubt, no? Immediately you ask the doubt when you are not. Which question? Which question? Third, which question? Third answer or fourth answer? C part we have written third. हाँ हाँ at one. हाँ हाँ, so third which part? Fourth or C? D or C? C. So C, now you see, check it. VR is parallel to PS, TP is parallel to RQ, and BQ is parallel to TS. QR is parallel to TP. QR is that you see. No, AB is not parallel to CD. AB and CD meet each other at one common point P. At one common point P they meet each other. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is omitted. It is not there in our course. Draw the perpendicular bisector. Draw the perpendicular bisector is not. Now we will do sixth one. Which lines are perpendicular bisector? Sixth one. Which lines are perpendicular bisector? Which line is perpendicular bisector? Which line is perpendicular bisector? Which line is perpendicular bisector? That we have to find out from the given figure. Now first it is AB and CD. We are given AB and CD. We are given AB and CD. We are given AB and CD. Wait. We are given AB and CD. 1 minute. AB and CD, they meet each other at O. At O, angle 90 degrees formed. And second thing, OA and OB. Now see here. This line divide AB into two equal parts. So this part is same as this part. This part is same as this part. Yes. So which line is which line is bisector? Yes, that we have to find out. Which line is bisector? Yes. CD is bisector of AB. CD is bisector of, yes, you're right, line CD is perpendicular bisector. Line CD is perpendicular bisector of line AB. Yes, line CD is perpendicular bisector of line AB. Line CD divide line AB. Line CD divide line AB. No, I have mentioned the word line. No, I have mentioned the line word. So if you don't use the word, then I will use the notation. But I have written the word line. So again I am not using that symbol for line. Let it be. Yes. Wait. No, this I will not upload. This I will not upload. No, this I will not upload. No, PQ, this I will not upload. PQ and RS. Wait, PQ and RS, they intersect each other at 90 degree. Yes, they intersect each other 90 degree. Now see here, which side is equal? This side is equal. This side is equal. So which side is divided? Line RS is divided. Are you getting? Line this side and this side, they are equal. That means line RS is divided into two equal parts. Line RS is divided into two equal parts. Yes. So line RS is divided into two equal parts. Are you getting? RS is divided into two equal parts. So we write OR is equal to OS. That means RS is divided. So RS is divided, line RS is divided into two equal parts. Line RS is divided, into two equal parts. Okay, chalo, I will upload. Line RS is divided into two equal parts. So which is perpendicular bisector? Now tell me, which is perpendicular bisector? Which is perpendicular bisector? Line PQ is bisector. Line PQ is bisector of line RS. Yes. So line PQ is perpendicular bisector. Line PQ is perpendicular bisector. Line it is clear, right? Line PQ is perpendicular bisector of, right? Yes. Line PQ is, it is clear, right? Line PQ is perpendicular bisector because which line is divided? RS is divided into two equal parts. So PQ is bisector. Which line is bisecting? PQ is bisecting. So PQ is the bisector. So PQ is the bisector. PQ is the bisector of line RS. Yes. Now next one, third one. PQ is bisector of that. Wait. No. 3 minutes. See, 3 minutes are there. No. 3 minutes are there. 3 minutes are there. I will. 3 minutes are there. I will complete this part. Wait. I will complete this part. Next is, my dear, but 2 minutes are there. No, let me complete. Let me complete. XY. Wait, no. XY and MN. Wait. Now this is 90 degree. Now which line is divided? Yes. Now see here. XY is divided. XY is divided as well as MN is also divided. Are you getting? Equal sign. No. But it is given. No. It is given. This line is also divided. This line is also divided. So we write line MN is perpendicular bisector of. Let it be. Line MN is perpendicular bisector. Line MN is perpendicular bisector of line XY. Then see here. So MN is divided. XY is divided. So line MN is perpendicular bisector. Then my line XY is also divided. This part is same as this part. So MN is line XY. Line XY is also perpendicular bisector of. Perpendicular bisector of line XY is also perpendicular bisector of line MN. So both are perpendicular bisector of each other. Only last part. Both are perpendicular bisector of. Both are perpendicular. Wait, last part we have to do. Now next is last part, fourth one. We are given the line PQ. and we are given the line L. We are given the line L. This is my line L. L. Then these are 90 degree. This is O. This is 90 degree, and this is divided. This is divided. So which line is bisector? Tell me. Now PQ is divided. No, L is the bisector, because which is divided? PQ is divided. Which line divides? L divides. So line L is perpendicular bisector. Line S is perpendicular bisector. The line which perpendicular bisector of line PQ. See here, the line which divides is perpendicular bisector. The line which divides is the perpendicular bisector. Is it clear? The line which divides is the perpendicular bisector. So L divides. Yes, L divides PQ. Yes. Bye. L divides